Well, hi there guys, welcome to the channel and thank you very much for taking the time to join me today. And as you can see, I'm out in the woods and today I'm out doing a solo camp at my woodland bushcraft base camp. And tonight I'm going to be sleeping in the DD Nest Hammock. This is my first night in the nest. I'm looking forward for spending a night in the nest. But yeah, it looks a good hammock. I've set it up before and had a good look around. That's in a video further down. DD kindly sent me this hammock out to have a look at, but I haven't had the opportunity to camp in it, using it yet. But no further ado, we'll go and get this set up and we'll bring you along later on once we've done that. Well then guys, that's me all set up to spin you around and we'll take a little look. As you can see, I've gone for the full camo setup. We've got the multicam DD 3.5 by 3.5 tarp, and under here we've got the multicam Nest Hammock. It looks a decent bit of kit. Inside there I've got the Arctic bag, and as you can see, these hammocks just have little viewing windows in them, and then the rest's the same material as the base of the hammock. I've got the Arctic sleeping bag, my sleep kit. I've put down there a bit of a tarp to keep my feet and what have you dry. And my setup here, I've modded it a little bit. I've put a couple overhand knots on there and shortened the webbing, but I think I might shorten that again because it's coming quite close to the edge of the tarp. And we're just basically on a carabiner there with these daisy chain webbings, and you get the carabiner and that obviously wrapped around the tree. We've got the DD's ridge line straight over to the other tree, and we're using jungle knots for this. Absolutely amazing they are. I really do like using these. Right then, we might as well have a little try of the hammock. Chuck that out the way. Get in there. Whoa, get the boots off. And we'll just get our legs in. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I must admit, I am looking forward for a night in this tonight. I think I need to tension them out a little bit more. I think what I might do is move the cordage and put it in the centre so it gives it a bit more lift. See how that works. But yeah, that's awesome. Check that out. Nice little view. Be alright when it's down. A little view out there. Look out that window. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna chill here for a few minutes and then just go and crack on, get something to eat, because I am getting a little bit hungry and I'm definitely ready for a brew. I'll see you in a bit. Well, there we have it guys, there's the Nest Hammock. Got the lanterns on the edge of the tarp. It looks pretty cool, I think. I'm really looking forward to climbing into that later on tonight. But for now, I'm just going to sit and chill by the fire and enjoy a couple of beers. Right then folks, as you can see, the fire's pretty much burnt out. There isn't much of that left now. I'm not going to bother putting any more fuel on the fire. I'm going to go and turn in. I'm going to go and try the Nest Hammock out and see what it's like spending my first night in the hammock. But yeah, I've enjoyed my time out. I've had some nice food. I've enjoyed sitting by the fire. But now, let's see what this hammock's like. Well, there we go, guys. That was my first night in the DD Nest hammock, and I must admit I really enjoyed it. With the rain, the stream came up the tiniest little bit, so it was flowing a little bit quicker through the night, and that kept me awake a little bit, woken me up a few times. Needed to pee about 4 o'clock in the morning, and the space in between the trees where I've got it tensioned, that could do with being a bit closer, but we're limited at where we can set a hammock up in this little spot. So that didn't get the best lay, so I'm going to try it again in another location. But yeah, so far I'm happy with it. I really did enjoy being in it. I was nice and toasty warm in that Arctic bag. But yeah, I'm going to wrap up now, pack it away and head off. But it's been good. Nice little time last night to myself by the fire, some nice food, time in the woods and nature. What more do you need?